Hi everyone, welcome back with me, Shani Eva Dewi. Today, I'm super excited because I'll be showing you how to make a delicious and refreshing iced milk coffee right at home. Whether you are a coffee lover or just looking for a cold drink to beat the heat, this recipe is perfect for you. So, let's get started. Okay, the first step, we need a coffee powder, sugar, and water. And after that, we put everything into the blender, starting for water, coffee powder, and sugar. And you can adjust those too. Then turn on the blender and wait until the thickness a little and creates a little foam from the coffee and sugar mixture. I think the texture will be like this. It will be slightly thickened and have a little foam on top. And then put fresh milk into the glass, then put ice cubes into the glass, and finally we put the mixture of coffee and sugar that we have stirred. And this iced coffee milk drink has been made, and you can try to make it.